Yo everyone, if your Tinder account is already banned, I have a great tutorial for you because I found only working method how to unban your banned Tinder account. All you need to do, we must enter our username of our account or email address, phone number. So put this your phone number of our account or our username, and the next step is press generate, and now after complete, our Tinder account will be unbanned. It's super easy method, but where I found this application Unlocker Plus Plus, to get Unlocker Plus Plus for your mobile device, for Android or iOS device, all you need to do, you must open our favorite browser and follow me. Type this there, Unlocker Plus Plus. Okay, press install. Wait to finish this process. The last step is verification to sponsor game. Follow all instructions. After complete this verification, Unlocker Plus Plus will be installed for your mobile devices.